What's up, guys? Me here again, and this is welcome to another video on the light bag collection. So today's video is not like a bag making video, it's more or less like a vlog. So stay tuned and see what we will be doing today. So I just decided to show you the process of like how work are being done in the shop, how everything is being done. So today is I think Easter Monday, right? Easter Monday. So I'm the only one around here. I have a work I need to finish and send back to Zaria, Nigeria. So I started yesterday. I've started cutting it. So that's the reason I'm just making this like a vlog. You know, the shop is still intact the way it used to be. You see, everything is still normal. Then as I was saying, on the desk here I have the side of the souvenir bag. Okay, this is a souvenir bag, more or less like a souvenir shopping bag. This is the side. I have my rope here. I've cut some rope. I'm making 60 bag in just 2 days to be delivered. So if you are making 60 bag, the handle you have to cut 120 handle. This is 120 handle, and this is the main front of the bag. This will be will be sending this in 2 days time, and the event is happening on the 10th, which is this coming Saturday. So guys, I will be showing the process of making things in the shop since I'm the only one here in the process. So you guys stay tuned and enjoy the video as I proceed. So I've finished cutting everything now, and I've finished reeling my thread to the bobbin. So what I will be doing now is start to assemble it. So I will show you the process, and I think the video won't be too long for you guys. So for those of you who have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified each and every time we upload a new video. Like this video, leave a comment on what you think and what we can do next on this channel. But by the way, there are tons of video coming, beautiful and knowledgeable video coming apart from this vlog. So I think I'll be doing more of like this vlog. This will be the episode 1 of the season 1. I'll be doing more of this, like to show the process, how the shop is going, the work we have on ground, what we are doing, or we are not doing anything, we are just doing some projects. So guys, that is it, and we shall proceed to making of the souvenir bag. So I may time-lapse it and see how the work is going. Thank you guys for being here. Love and support. So guys, this is currently the next morning. Yesterday I was unable to finish it. I have a lot to do, so I have to go out to attend to some matters. So these are everything. These are the one left to work on. You know, yesterday I say I'm the only one around, so but I have to call 2 of my apprentices to come help me out around in the morning, but they stay for like 2 hours and left as well. So I know inshallah I will finish everything today and show you the way it's going. So that's it. And from what we have been doing before, the shop is still intact the way it normally used to be before. You know, we have some stuff in the stock. This is currently 2:09. You know, I just came to the shop because I was not feeling too well. I would have been here since 7, but I just came. So that's it. I will show you after I finish, and you'll see everything I will package and send to our clients. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like, leave a comment, anything you think particular video in the comment section, and anything you want me to do like or talk about. But there are tons of great video coming that will help you out. So stay tuned as we proceed to finish the projects. So guys, here is it. We are done with everything. You know, I told you I'm going to show you when I'm done. So here is the finished product. This is 30 on this side and the rest is inside. This is another 30 here, which is 60. The bag is just 60, not up to 100, but I think it's 66. So that is that. I have one here and few left here that I'm about to, but what the client requested for is still 60. So we normally print extra sometimes to like give to the client and keep one for ourselves, you know. So this is as far as everything. So there's something I wanted to talk about. If you are making souvenir like this, there's a way you calculate for you to be able to budget and determine what you charge your client, you understand? So on the go, if a client asks you, if you know how much you are going to buy the material and everything, you can calculate immediately the rope you are going to use, the kind of thread you are going to use, if it's taffeta you want to use or mix with flex material, you know. So if it requires branding as well, you also put that into calculation and consideration as well. Like this one includes branding, as you can see. There are some that will only sew the bag. The client would have printed a sticker or a flex for us to sew to the bag. So that's it for you guys. I hope you guys enjoying this little bit video. Stay tuned for more video to come. Leave a comment on what you think or what you want me to say that I didn't get to say in this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and happy marriage life to these guys.